Hey everybody, it's David back in the kitchen today. Please make sure that you like, subscribe, share, most importantly give a thumbs up to our videos. Be greatly appreciated. Hey, today, something kind of cool. As you know, Lorelei loves seafood, and we all do. And every once in a while, if you pay close attention at our local grocery stores, which is mainly Walmart, you can catch a lobster tail on clearance. It usually runs about 50% of the face value. So Lorelei keeps an eagle eye out for this, and as soon as it goes on clearance, we buy a whole bunch of it and we eat it because it's really good. So let me show you how I'm going to prepare it. Basically, I'm just going to take the lobster tails out. Just kind of check them over, inspect them. Even without me cooking them, lobster smells so good. But I'm going to rinse these off in cool water. Just give them a light rinsing. And I'm going to place them on some paper towels while I work on my marinade for my lobster boat that I'm going to show you. All right. So what I'm going to do is build a little lobster boat out of tin foil. And all you do is fold the sides up like this. Do the same thing on the ends. All right. And our beautiful lobster tails are going to sit nicely inside of this little boat. So, now I'm going to use in this dish a lot of unsalted butter. Not salted, but unsalted butter. So let's just start off with this. Getting. Woohoo! And you need your butter to be soft. And I'm actually going to throw it in the microwave here in a minute for just a couple of seconds. So we got our butter. I am going to add a little salt. But here in a second, or here in a couple of minutes, you'll see that I'm going to add the salt and pepper directly to the lobster tail. Fresh lemon. Just squeeze it in there nicely. Oh my gosh. That's really good stuff. Then I do have a little clove of garlic that I'm going to try to chop up. Remember, I'm blind, so I got to put my glasses on. I'm going to chop this up, mince it up. Real fine. Doesn't got to be pretty in my world. It just has to be good. Okay. Put that in there. And I'm going to throw this in the microwave. Oh, maybe 10 seconds. Let's make it 11 seconds. All right. Let me mix up my butter mixture. Get it nice and soft. Get it into the liquid stage. All right. Okay. Then I'm going to take my lobster tails. Real simply. Sprinkle a little bit of salt. Even on the outer part that you're not going to eat. I'm going to do some pepper the same way. Rub them in a little bit. And get that flavor in the meat. Okay? And then I'm literally going to just this end. dip this into my butter. I'm going to lay it in my boat. Just this in. Lay it in my boat. Then I'm going to take my mix and gently pour it over the rest of it. Okay? Then I'm going to fold my boat up. And all we're doing is making a nice little steam pouch. Now, here's what I do. I don't want to crush the tin foil. I want to keep it to where I got a pocket of air in here. So I want it to be tinted. Okay? And that'll allow my butter and steam. So now, I'm going to bake this at 400 degrees for about 12 minutes to 15 minutes depending. And then once it comes out of the oven, we'll get it ready. Lorelai will try it and see if she likes it. I made some rice for her, and that's pretty much it. All right, so I got the lobster out of the stove. So let me open this up and show you what it looks like. You can tell that it's done because your lobster shell is turned a bright red, and that's what we want. Now, I'm gonna make a dipping sauce for Lorelai. So here's what I'm gonna do with this dipping sauce. I'm going to use the juices that I baked the lobster in. Here, let me put these beautiful lobster tails on the plate. So I've got my leftover butter and lemon and garlic, salt and pepper. I've added the drippings from the lobsters, and I'm going to take just a hint of this soy sauce, which I really like. It's a very light flavored soy sauce. All right. Now, to make it all pretty, I'll pour it in a nice little bowl here for Lorelai. And we'll put these babies like this. And as of course, if you're Filipino or Asian, you know you gotta have rice. So I'll give her a nice little pile of rice to go with it. And then maybe some silverware to eat it with. And she will be good to go. Give her a napkin. And there you go, Lorelai. All right, who do we have now? What's your name, ma'am?
I'm the wife of David Hartman. This is Lorelai. And eating the skin.
What is it?
Lobster.
Ooh, you're a lucky woman.
Yes, I'm hunting for this.
All right. Tell us what you think of it when you get in there.
Smells good, as usual. This is how you eat lobster, by the way. Just butcher in the bottom. See? Just break it. Okay, this is how you break it. See how nice is that? Ooh. That.
Oh, look how pretty that is.
This is a cold what? Water.
Cold water lobster? Maine lobster.
It's a little bit sour because of that dressing.
All right, guys, that's it for us. Lorelai, say bye-bye.
It's tasty.
Take care, guys. We'll catch you next time.